Welcome traders. This is one of our video, and today as we discuss every times on weekend we'll make the strategy videos, and the other days we'll make the post analysis video. Okay. So today, last week, I have told you the setup. If you have not watched the setup, then you can watch my last video on the setup. Okay, that link also I'll provide or I will put in the I button so that first before watching this strategy, you have to see the marking zones. Okay, so this strategy name is TCPRB. That means trending market CPR breakout. Okay, so this accuracy ratio is more than 50%, or you can tell this accuracy ratio is 65%. So where it works in option selling, then this is an option buying, then future. Only for the index future, index option, and index option selling. Okay, so three instrument it works. Okay, so I told you the probability is 65%. That means if you are taking 10 trades, 3.5 or 4 trades you are going to lose, and 6 trades you are going to win. So RR also I'll tell you, this is 2 is to 1 minimum I want. So candle, it is 5 minutes candle. So you can see. So indicator, and apart from that we have to draw the zone where first is CPR zones, demand and supply, then you have previous day low and high zones, high lines. So three things we have to follow, these things in this strategy. So better you can write it down because this is a paid strategy. I am telling you in free. So for this strategy, actually people will charge you. Okay, but they will also not tell that elaborately for each strategy. They will tell for 10 minutes or 5 minutes this strategy works, and they will see. I will show you the conditions, lot of conditions are there. Then accuracy ratio also I told, because I have tested it, back tested so many times. Mostly 10 out of 6 it will work definitely, and if you are experienced trader, 7 also you can get it. Okay, so this is what the accuracy ratio of this strategy. So what we supposed to do now? So we have to simply go to the this chart. This is nothing but my Dhon account, and Dhon account we can, it is integrated with the trading view. So I can get the trading view chart over here. Okay, and they are giving also CFR. Okay, inbuilt you can go here. Okay, indicator you can simply type CPR. More details video I have made on that, my first set of video. So CPR you have to try. So CPR daily you have to select this one. Okay, and what you have to do, different mark you have. For example, so I will just do the pop-up. Okay, Okay, so what you will do, you have to see the accuracy ratio how it works. Okay, so CPR indicators, first you have to mark the line, which lines previous day, and you will go to the this line, horizontal line, you can go here, you can mark previous day high. Same way you have to go, you have to mark the previous day. Okay. Apart from that, if there is a huge swing is there, that also you can mark. Okay, and if there is any gap border also there, that also you can mark. So this zones you have to mark. So apart from that, you have to put a 20 EMA under this. There is nothing 20 EMA exponential, so you have to go see this is EMA 20. Okay, you'll go to the setting. Okay, 20, this is 20. Okay, so you have to mark these things, so this should be in your chart. These all are the conditions. Okay, so most of the strategy I will tell their accuracy is more than 60 or 65%. As I told you, for a trader, more than 50% winning ratio is enough to make a profit in the trading market. Why? Because you have to keep the 2:1 minimum risk reward ratio. That means if you are losing, you are losing only 1%, and if you are winning, you are winning 2%. And if you are taking 50 trades, you are 25 trades you are winning in a month, and 25% you are losing, still you will be able to make 25% of return. Okay, of your used capital. Understood? So this is what the strategy is looking like from outside. And this is the power of price action as well CPR, where actually you can make the profit in option market, and that too especially from the option buying market. Okay, I have seen so many famous stars are there. They will tell this strategy, but finally they will tell, they will not make you sure that we can get it from the option buying or not. I am just making the video for who all are the option buyers. Anyway, you can use for the option selling, but for me it is option buying. More I am preferring on the option buying. Okay, so these all are the things you have to mark. And also what you will do, you will go to the little longer time frame. Okay, 15 minutes for example. If 15 minutes, you will see where there is a big pullback. For example, you will be able to see, I'll just put a information line here. So you can there from here to here, that is a big pullback, means market crashes from there. So this is a supply zone, so here you can mark another zone. Okay, you will go there, simply you have to see the line, horizontal line, so you put here. Okay, similarly for demand zone also, you will check from where market got bounce back. There are two, one is here, here, another is also here. So these all are the area where market can show the price actions. Okay, these all are the lines. So whenever you are going to trade in the pre-market itself, you have to draw these things. Okay, then you have to go back to the 5 minutes candle. Okay, look, as I shown you, when price is starting, I'll tell you what is that strategy. This is trending market CPR breakout. Okay, look, look out this strategy. So what that day market started and that day it broke. First initially it worked also. First candle it work, in one candle it work, but our condition there should be a candles before breaking it should spend some time because before breaking the CPR. So we will take this trade than this trade. For this also another strategy that I will discuss on my later videos. So what we have to do here, simply we have to check whether price is getting consolidated here. See, look, from here there is a simply a demand zone. Okay, because from here that day previous day what happened, it bounced back. Okay, so same thing it would have been happened, but we are not taking this trade here. What I'm trying to tell you, here market is bounce back. Okay, so here you can see there are so many candles are there. So here when it breaks, two things can be happened here. It can make a it can make a candle, it can make a bearish candle and can calm down. Okay, there is a chances. Second thing is it can break and go away. Okay, scenario 1 it can calm down, scenario 2 it can go away. So what we have to do first, this, because see, if it was supposed to go down it would have been broken here and it would have come down. Okay, it would have been come down. Since it has spent some times, so market is telling buyers are strong here and they are not trying to market to come down. They don't want market to come down. So what they are doing, they're breaking. They're breaking the CPR. It's a biggest resistance they're breaking. And also they are breaking today's high. Two things you can able to see. So whenever it is breaking like this, you just take a trade at least for 1:2. At least for 1:2, you just take a trade. If you are taking trade here, okay, for example up to here you can, because yesterday it was a resistance. So if you are taking trade you will take up to here, whether you are getting the your target and stop loss, that also you have to check before you are entering. Okay, two things can be happened from here. You can, this is yesterday high, up to yesterday high it should be your target, but yesterday high it was target also. You have to see your risk and reward is working or not. So what you have to do is, suppose if it is breaking here, for example if it is breaking here, you are taking a long position here, let's say, and your target is the previous day high. You are putting your target here, maybe 45 points, and you are putting your stop loss here. What you have to do, at least you will put your stop loss below that breaking candle. Okay. Still you are unable to achieve your RR. So that point time you should not take trade. That point of time you should not take trade. What you will do, you see a pullback here. Okay, it came to here. Okay, if it is giving a sign here, another candle, this candle you just take a trade. Take a trade here. Okay, because you have seen another bullish candle and price retraced here. So take a trade here. Don't take trade here. If you are taking trade here, that even though you are getting more than that, that is different things. But our first target should be previous day high. because last day also it has bounced from here. Today it can be possible. So our first things as per my conditions, whenever you are taking the trade, there should be first you have to measure like me how I have shown you whether it is 1 issue 2. If still there is a breakout strategy and you are seeing 100% also possible that it can touch the previous day, you should not take trade. Okay. Second thing is you have to measure whether it is accurate or not. For example, you can see I always prefer with CPR I also put the RSI. Okay, what RSI is saying, market is bullish. As per my condition, whenever market cross 60, RSI 60, and immediately it will be very bullish. First it is breaking CPR. Okay, second it is very bullish, and third it is consolidated. Fourth, today high also it broke big candle. That means who all are the people put his stop loss here, they also will trap, and here market can jump like anything. One more strategy, one more trick I will tell you. Whenever it is, I am telling my target is here. Okay, my target is here. Okay, some people they will achieve 2 is to 1 is to 2 and they will go away. Some people they want to take a big profit. What they will tell, they will do, they will not take profit here. Okay, from here advanced things no one will tell. How you will do the stop loss, I'll tell you. Once you achieve this one, okay, you are seeing market is still these things. If one candle would have closed this candle, you will be able to see this candle. I'll mark here. Sorry. So what I am trying to tell you, some people will close here, some people they are seeing market is still, there is a movement. Okay, market is still above 60 and there is movement. So what they will do, they will see another things here another label, this label they will check. Okay, okay, sorry, line is not correct. So up to here also it broke. You see this label also is not working. So what they will tell, they will wait till this moment which will come down with this candle, with this candle. Now you see this movement is got engulfed by these things. If this is a green candle and this is also actually bullish sign, here you will be able to see this bullish candle is getting engulfed by another bearish. Here up to here they will take the target. Hope you understood. So I'll just remove this one. Okay, so what I'll tell you, instead of taking profit here, what they will do, they will just take trade here. When they will see it's engulfed up to here they will take. See, now you will be able to see there is 3.56 RR, but you are targeting minimum was 1 is to 2. That's why I'm telling you, sometimes you have to trade with your rules. Sometimes automatically you will be able to know how to get profit. You are targeting for 2, but you are getting 3.56. Okay, so this is all about this strategy, and also I'll say in this month how many it is happened and how many it is got successful or failure. Okay, this, so I will be counting from here. Look, this is when you are getting, you are not getting, because it broke, but when it breaks, okay, it should be broke, and you have to another rules is there should not be any further candle or any further resistors. For example, it broke but there is a wick. Okay, it should be broke, and in the right or left side there won't be any candle. That kind of break is required. For example, it breaks, you can see left there is no hindrance, there is no wicks, or there is no other candles available here. That means it is a clear breakout. So that kind of clear breakouts, this clear breakout is happened here, not here. If fast candle itself it would have been broken here, then I would have taken up to here. Okay, even though it worked, but this is not our rule, so you have to think in that way also. So here it didn't happen here. This is actually another strategy here. This is the LBW that I will share in my next videos. Today I will be focusing on the our CPR breakout strategy. So here it is not there. Okay, look out here, look out here. What happened in uptrend there is no breakout because wicks are there. You can see there is no clear breakout, but when it broke down, another confirmation was this. I will remove. Another confirmation was it broke also 20 EMA. So you should take a trade here, but there is a wicks, so another candle you have to, oh, you have to observe this candle, this candle is formed in 10 am. Here you can take a target, here you can take a target, short position. Here your entry, and above the EMA your stop loss and target up to previous day low. So you got your things properly. So this is also success. Okay, so we'll go next, we'll see any strategy. Here you can see, here you cannot take a trade. Why? Your risk and reward is not matching. For example, yesterday it was this one, you are not getting an entry also. It broke in the fast candle itself, which I should not prefer because there is no consolidation. Second, if you are taking trade here, your reward only this much. Okay, there is no 1:2 or 2 risk reward, it is following. Okay, so this is not a trade. So 2 we got, 2 we have successful. Okay, we'll say in the, so here it is successful, but see here, this is a one way. Okay, so you can see there is a breakout, but here there is a bounce back, there is a return. Okay, there is no risk reward we are finding. Okay, here you can see there is a very successful trade. Here you are taking entry means up to here you can get your target 2:1 you are getting. Okay, So 3 out of 3 you got one. You have to see whenever it is breaking there is a immediate support zone or demand zones. If the immediate there is a supply zone and demand zones, price can, for example, if it is breaking here, it is a yesterday high, so from here it can break out. So there is no conditions of even though it is reaching, but we are not getting the proper risk and reward. Okay, so you should not take this kind of trade. So I am searching any another trade you have got on this. Okay, so look here. Here you are taking trade and achieving immediately. So 4 you got here, you got. Okay, there is a little time spent. If you are missing out here trade, you take a trade here. Okay, at 10:20. If you are missing out, for example, if you first candle you are getting entry here, if you are not missing out your risk reward, you are taking your risk here and the reward is here up to here. Okay, in case you are missing out, take a trade here. Here you take a trade and you are achieving this one, even though you are, it is taking time, but you are achieving. Okay, almost how much points you are achieving you can see. So 4 out of 4 you got it. Okay, oh, so we'll check in a trade. So in 9 days almost 4 you got. Okay, look at here. So you are getting your profit here, 2 is to 1 easily you are getting. Okay, here you will be able to see you are not, neither you are getting profit nor you are getting up to here, because up to 3 o'clock will wait. After that we have to close it. You are getting a here. Okay, but you are failing. So 5, I shown you 5, almost 4 is successful. Okay, 1 is unsuccessful. That also there is zero stop loss, and without profit or loss you can book, because up to 3 o'clock only we are going to wait. After that we don't know whether it will achieve, because our time will option buyer, our we have a bad things that time decay is there, so we have to close our positions. Okay, here there is no breakout, because this is a different strategy. That also I'll tell you. This market you can see how many strategies I have already shown you. So this is also achieved, but you should not take this trade, because here there was a came down, it came down, but it is achieved also. If you are taking trade here, 2 is to 1 you are getting. Yeah, okay, here this what time you see, 3 o'clock. I should suppose not to take this trade other, and also this is a big candle, so immediate this kind of candle you should not take the trade. Okay, up to 2:30 if you are getting entry you can take a trade. Okay, after that you suppose not to take a trade up to. So this is another breakout, but here it should be your target. Okay, it is achieving, but my suggestions, you should not take this trade. This is a trade you supposed to take here. That strategy also I'll tell you. So he see this breakout, you don't take trade immediately, you don't take trade, you just see the price would retest here, and you see what is the move you are getting, what a move you are getting. Minimum 2 is to 1, you are getting 1 is to 5 here. So see from here it is not there. So I in one maybe 15 days I have shown you 15 or 20 days, at least 5 you got. Out of that 5 you got 4 you won, only one you lost. One we lost because we have taken at the last time, and also 3 up to 3 o'clock there was a chance that we can go with no profit and no loss. Okay, so this is all about strategy. So another conditions also I'll add in the before you should take conditions. First is before there is should be a consolidation. Okay, second, before breaking, then you should take the trade. uh, you should not take the trade after 240. Okay, these are the conditions you should keep remember. And one other things, another things also I'll tell you. If it is opening with a flat, okay, and it is continuing the same trend what it was following in the yesterday. Okay, if it was yesterday what downtrend, and if the CPR, sorry, candle is breaking the CPR from down, for example it opened flat and CPR is in down, and there is a consolidation, the chances is very good, and it can even give you 1 is to 4 ratio. Same way yesterday it was off, today also it opened with flat. Okay, and CPR is above. Okay, when it give a consolidation and it breaks, the chances of getting high risk and reward is more. Okay, flat and open with the off trend, it was in on off trend. Okay, and off trend always it breaks if RSI is, see, if it is breaking 60, and if down side you are taking risk, you see RSI is below 50 to 40. Okay, so this is all about strategy. And one more thing I also want to tell you, if for example market it closed here and flat here. Okay, what I was trying to tell you, let's see, your market is closed here, it closed, and open is here. Okay, like this. Okay, and your CPR is here. Okay, and it is taking spending time and it's breaking. So in this case your probabilities of winning is more, and as well as you will get more risk reward. Hope you understood this one. Second thing also, if for example market is downtrend. Okay, market is downtrend, for example market is coming like this yesterday and is close here. Okay, and Today also open with a flat. Okay, market. And here also here it is spending time, and here is your CPR. 1, 2, 3. So what market is doing? Market is coming here, and spending time, and it's broken. So in this case, your risk reward will be more, and it will be more accurate. And here you can jump without any thinking. You can take a option buying positions. Hope you understood. And if you are getting this kind of trade in Thursday, means you can multiply your used capital. Like 1 is 2 means your 10,000, if you are putting means even 2 or 3 times also you can get this kind of things. You should remember. Okay, because actually Dhon is giving up to 30 days backup for the CPR back testing, so that but I am having also 2 years backup data that anytime I'll share with you. I have in a different laptop, so that laptop right now is not with me. Okay, so I'm having 2 years data where I can show you how this CPR trending breakout works. Okay, so I'll just remove this. So you must remember two things. If it is breaking, what level it is breaking. For example, one CPR, if it is breaking up to here, okay, and you are seeing your demand zone here, you cannot take trade here immediately, because if you are taking, you are putting your stop loss here, and your target is here, which is not even 1 is to 2. So I need 1 is to 2. Then only I suppose this should be in your mind all the times. And also as I told you, whenever you are taking a positions along with a different, for example, some people will take a trend line breakout or a range breakout here. Here is a range. Okay, they are taking a break. So you see what is the RSI level here. It is more than 60. So in this kind of trade, it will work, because RSI also supporting, because the relative strength also it is supporting, and also your trend line breakout is also working, and you can see there is a 20 EMA support. So there are a lot of strategy, but I will say show you 28 powerful strategy, and out of this is one of the powerful strategy. And this is actually some people are selling it with very good amount of price, but I am showing it free. You do the back test. If you are not feeling this strategy is good, then you can comment me in the sections, but it works most of the time, not all the time. I will not give you any 90% strategy, which actually in market, if you want to stay, 50 to 60% is enough. Okay, any strategy, but subject to, so I am telling 1 is to 2. Sometimes this strategy will give you 1 is to 1.9. Okay, sometimes it will give to 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1.2.5, 2.5. So this is all about what? This is all about your things when you want to book. Okay, sometimes automatically cannot book. It will be so much of movement that you don't have to move. It will give automatically 1 is to 4. Sometimes maybe in a year you will get 10 or 12 trades like that, but that will make you profit. Remember my words. So this is all about strategy. So whenever it is breaking the CPR, you have to see this also. If RSI is above 60, okay, in that case you will get a quick movement. Okay, so hope you understood this strategy very well. So hope it will be helpful. This strategy, one of my first strategy. So apart from this, another 27 strategy I'll share with you. Okay, and it will be try with this strategy. Believe me, it will be helping you like anything. Okay, if you want, I will discuss 20 strategy. If you want further backtesting on any of strategy, that also I will show some 2018 19 strategy, 1920 strategy, how it worked. And because this indicator actually trading view, I am just giving up to 1 month. Okay, with CPR, so that backtest I can do. uh, I can show you. I have already shown there are 5 or 6 out of 4 we have won. Okay, so one we have lost. See, from 5 itself we are able to know that their accuracy ratio is good, but I am just thinking if 50% accuracy is enough for me, but it's giving you 80% accuracy. So, and some conditions should be there. If your condition will be matched, for example, if it is breaking here, for example, one strategy is breaking here. Okay, here it is breaking and there is a immediate, there is a heavy supply zone, so strategy will fail, but you should not take the trade. Okay, if you are taking this trade, then what will be happened? You will fail and you will blame the strategy. This is not like that. You have to see, for example, you supposed to not to take the trade in the budget day or any event day, so that what will happen? No, any strategy it won't work. So that you have to cut it off your things. In a proper day, you take a trade and you will take along with the market sentiment and this one. Market sentiment and FIIDI positions in the option sales along with this means it will work, your accuracy will be always will be greater than the average traders. That's why we want to be exceptionals and we should do something which other traders are not doing. So hope this is helpful. For we'll come with another strategy video. This is the first strategy. You can note it down also. The strategy known is TCPRB. Once all strategy also will after discussion, you just share your email ID. I will share these things, the Excel sheet with you. And also you download. You can take the screenshot of this one. Uh, my strategy when I'm showing you in video, just take a video screenshot and keep with you if you don't have. Okay, so that it will be helpful for your future trade, so you can refer and you can trade. So thank you. Have a nice day. uh, Bye, take care.